All right, welcome again. In this training, as we proceed with the training, I'm going to show you how to create a website folder. Okay, now if you want to create a website, any new website that you want to create, they must have their own unique website folder. So quickly open your Windows Explorer. Okay, so open your local hard disk, locate your XAMPP folder. Okay, so locate your XAMPP folder, double click htdoc. So when you double click htdoc, inside your htdoc you create a folder for your website. Okay, so now I'm going to design my first website for. Okay, I just copy and paste them. Okay, so click on new. You can create a new folder using different methods. All right, so I just paste. You can just type. Okay, okay, so here is my folder for my website. All right, so you can see that from here, this is my local disk, this is my XAMPP, this is my htdoc, and here is the folder where I want to drop the website software that I'm going to use to create my website. So another thing I want us to do is that I need some information, which is the database information. So here I'm going to create a notepad, that's I'm going to have all this information in them. All right, so here is my notepad. So here I will need all this information, so we're going to talk about this later. Okay, so let me save. All right, so after I've created my website folder, so the next thing I need to do is to extract my Joomla software inside this folder. All right, so what you do is that I'm using WinRAM. Okay, so you can install this if you don't have it on your system. Download this online, it's free. Okay, so right click on the Joomla software that you downloaded from our website. Okay, click on extract file. So when you click on extract file, it's going to open this box here. So from here you can locate this folder. Okay, so what you do is you double click to open your local disk, locate the XAMPP folder, double click, this is your htdoc, double click. Okay, you can just click this minus. So what I need to do now is to locate my first website for. Okay, so here is my website. This is my website folder. So I just double click or click and I click OK. So this software will be extracted, inside the Joomla. So let's just have a look. Okay, you can see this folder is coming in. Other folders are coming in inside this folder. So while that one is playing, we also need to create a database for our website. So for me to do that, like I said, it's recommended that you use Firefox. So I open up my Firefox browser, internet browser. Okay, so from my Firefox, I'm going to go to the localhost. From the localhost, I create my database. Now another thing is that any website, anytime you want to create a new website, you must ensure that you create that website database. So every website has their own unique database that they communicate with. So using our local server here, type in localhost. Okay, here you click on PHP my admin. So when you click on PHP my admin, it's going to open up the database environment where we create all this database information. So here we have our database information. The DB is going to be our database name. Okay, the user is going to be our database username, and the pass is going to be our database password. Okay, so here we go. So we click on database. So by the time you click on database, it's going to open up database. Okay, the database has opened up. So what you do to avoid mistake, it's advisable to do a copy and paste. So we are copying and pasting our database here, and we click on the create to create the database. So immediately click on create, the database is going to be added to this list of databases that are here. Okay, since I have a very long list, you are not going to have a very long list because your local server is still new. Okay, so here is my first web 4 DB database. All right, so you click on it. So immediately you click on it, it's going to open up the database. So immediately you open up the database, you click on privileges. So from the privileges, you'll be able to I think I need to close this guy, okay, so that I can have where's my guy? Let's see. Okay, so all right, so I have this my user. Let me just change them to 44. Okay, it's advisable to have a unique information. So this is going to be my user name information. So after clicking on privilege, just scroll down here. So your list might not be long like this because I have other websites here. So you click on add user. So when you click on add user, it will do you the add user dialog box. So you copy and paste your username. So here you see local. So click this arrow. You see host. So click this arrow and click local, or you can just simply type localhost here. Don't forget to do that. It's very, very important. If you don't do that, your website is not going to work. All right. So then here you have to add your password. Remember to retype or paste your password here twice. Then you scroll down. So when you scroll down, you click on check all. So all these boxes must be checked. And finally, you click on add user. So by this method, we have successfully created our database. Now let's quickly look at our website folder here. You can see all the Joomla softwares, folders and files have been extracted inside this folder. So after we have created the folder, extract the software, and then we have created our database. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to launch our website. So while launching our website, we will need the name of the folder. All right, so on the browser you can make use of this. You can just simply open a new tab here. So what you do is you type in localhost. All right, and you type in the website folder. So I just copy and paste to avoid error. And also remember that your folder must not have space. You can see that's the reason why I type them together. There mustn't be any space, and also between your localhost to there must not be any space there. So when you are through, you press enter. So by pressing enter, you are going to start the website setup. So which means here we are going to start by setting up our first website. So this is how it's going to go. Okay, so here you can type. All right, I just love copying and pasting. It's a little faster for me, and they can get accurate answer. No problem. This is just a name of a site. Just like if you are the owner of Google, you can just type Google websites or Google online, or so just put your own website name here. Then also you will need to have an email. So this email is going to be assigned to this site, so that each time any visitor is communicating with on site, this is the email that will receive your message. Okay, so most of the time, because your website is going to come with website address. Okay, so let's assume this is my website address, myfirstweb.com. okay, so and I'm going to create an email from it, which is known as info. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you can have your Gmail or Yahoo Mail or whatever, but what matters is that you have to know that this is the primary email for your website to receive message from the visitor. Okay, so now here we are going to enter our admin information. So this admin information also is relevant, and you must keep it, because without that you will not be able to log in to your website in the admin area to be able to design your website. So just simply copy and paste. All right, so copy paste. Okay, then the description is optional. If you don't put it, no problem, it will go through. Okay, so now I'm going to click next. So this stage is going to take me to the database stage. So here we are going to insert the database information that you have created from this guy. Okay, so and make sure you do not interchange them. They must be in their right places, otherwise you will not move to the next level. So make sure your username is your username, your database is your database, your password is your password. All right, and so you have our password here. Okay, and if you look here, you see your host name. That's a local server. Make sure it's there. Okay, so now we are going to click next. If you move to the next, it means all these are correct. If it doesn't move, kindly check what you are putting in. So that's why it's advisable to open a notepad where you can have your information kept. All right, so here is the next stage. Here in our probably on the day 2 of the training, we are going to make use of this none. So this none will give us a clean website, okay, whereby we can start designing our own website. For the purpose of today, for us to have a feeling of how our website is going to look like, you can select any of these options. Okay, so it's going to install a data sample. So if you point on it, it can show you some of what is going to entail. So I'm selecting this. All right, so and I click install. So if all settings, everything are okay, your website will be set up. Okay, guys, I believe that we are enjoying this program, and I'm sorry for this little bit poor production of our videos, and we are hoping that in the future we are going to have a more better video, and no problem. We are here, to help you and to help you to create a skill in website design. So you can reach us anytime using our WhatsApp, our email, our phone number, on the website, our social media pages. Okay, so right now the Joomla site has been successfully installed. Now before you move ahead, we need to remove the installation folder. This is very, very essential and is key. If you fail to do this, your website will be returning you back to installation stage. Okay, so since you have successfully do the installation, you got to remove this folder. So just click on remove installation folder, and it's successfully removed. So in case if this does not remove, okay, you can just go to your website folder. I'm sorry that I'm coming here after I've done that. So if it does not work, maybe the key is not working, just open your website folder here, look at the list, you see an installation folder. After this include, you just delete the folder and you are good to go. So now let's launch our website. Okay, so I can just right click and click in a new tab. So I want to open a new tab, so you can see localhost/website folder, and voila, we have our website. All right, then we can also log in. So here we'll be working here on the day 2, so you can use login to the administrator, that's the admin, and where you can edit your website. All right, so if you look at what we have here, so which means that after your website address, you can just type administrator in front. Okay, it's going to open the admin. All right, so this is the admin. I'm just trying to show you. Okay, all right, so here this is where you need this information. Like I told you earlier on, you must keep that information very, very well. All right, so that you can be able to access your admin area. So our admin area is where we are going to use to work on the day 2. Okay. So here is our admin area. So if you want to view your site, each time you perform an action, it's very, very essential that you view your site. You can just click on the name here. So whatever is the name of your site, you'll be showing here. It is the only site on the new tab. So in day 2, we are going to look at how we can change these templates to any of these templates that we are giving out for you for free. I've just extracted these templates here. So if you open this folder here, you are going to see some of the free templates that we are providing for you. You can use it to create your own website. Also, you can get a free website online from Google. Okay, so all you just need to do is to go to Google and type in something like free or premium, premium, free or premium templates. Okay, premium template, and do not forget to put Joomla, because there are other templates on the online there. So put Joomla templates, and the current Joomla version that we are working with right now is Joomla 30 points version. All right, so if you put this, it could be free Joomla 30 templates or premium Joomla 30 templates. So the difference between these are the free is for free and the premium you have to pay some money. Okay, and the difference also is that the free which are some of these ones that we are giving out for you here. They come with simple design, and the premium come with more beautiful, more complex design. All right, so you can go for any of your choice. Okay, so this is how we are going to end the day one of this training. Thank you.